Finally, it's a terrace. So the plaster work on the roof is going on right now. So the mason is doing the plaster work right now, which is ongoing. And it's been a week I haven't visited. We just put the slab for the staircase and the lift area. It's my brother Dinu. And the plaster work and little boundary raised. This is the 4th floor. And this is the entrance from the roof. This is the lift area. So the slab has been done here. And as you can see, the slab shuttering work, which is gonna be there for 15 days. So the work is in process. This is the top floor, and I'm going down on the 4th floor now. So a little glance. So this is basically a lift area which is left. When I'll have some money, we'll invest in elevator. And these are the rooms. So the tiles are lying there. The work. This is the toilet, which is almost ready. Tiles been done, and the outer tiles are done. The balcony. The ground is left like this by the labor. They don't care. They don't see. They just waste. So this is small tiles. Big tiles are lying here. So this is another bedroom set. These are the tiles. It looks beautiful. And the tile work haven't started yet. Gonna start soon. So this was the 4th floor. This is one entrance to the one flat. This is the second entrance. Now I'm going to the 3rd floor. So work is almost 75% done, 25 still to be done. And this is the 3rd floor. And now I'm moving towards 2nd floor. This is the stair. So tile done on the 3rd floor. Coming to the 2nd. First now, the tile replaced. The tile is done. This is our balcony. And now we are planning to have one more water storage area. The tank. This is the parking area, which the tiles are lying out here. This is the water tank area. Man's at work.